Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I have been cleaning out my closet since early this year and it's been over half year. I'm still cleaning out my closet. So this week I have been cleaning out my normal closet. In this closet are mostly daily wear clothing, not special fashion style. All my Lolita dresses and the traditional Chinese clothing are not in this closet. Those clothing are in my special closet. If you followed me on Poshmark, you probably have seen I have listed a lot of items and clothing. I still love most of those items, most of those clothing, but I just don't think I will have any chance to use those anymore. So we don't have a basement to store my stuff. I have sold most of my costumes and wigs. I will continue to sell more and more of my stuff. I'm selling my closet on Poshmark. I'll put the link in the description box. So this is an app that you can sell your used items. So let me show you what are the items I just listed. You could also offer the price. The game over purse, Chinese takeout purse, cute budding backpack, 3D floral backpack, pastel color purse, ice cream purse, glitter rainbow purse, semi-formal purse. Those purses are in good condition. I have used like 1 or 2 times. Those purses have been on the shelf for decorations. I still love those purses. They're super cute and the design is pretty unique. But I don't think I will use them often in the future. So I listed those for sale. If you like some items, you could offer a price. So those are my petticoats. I don't think I'll wear those anymore. This is the white one. This one is pretty long and there's more petticoats. You could wear those underneath your dress to make the dress poofy. White and a black one. It has a lot of volume. Look, it's very poofy. There is a pink one. I used to wear petticoats to make my dress super poofy. This one's really poofy. Purple one is really poofy. I just don't think I will wear those anymore. I used to like to wear poofy dresses. If I wear a Lolita dress, I wear the cage skirt. I think I talked about this before. We're trying to get the upstairs done before the due date. I'm not just working on my dressing room and also the other rooms, and I know you guys probably want to see the baby room. We're still working on the baby's room. Once it's done, I will share a video. There are more purses and those purses are black purses. Wing backpack, unicorn purse. So for a lot of those items, if nobody buys it, I will keep it. I still really love a lot of those items. Unicorn purse, crab shaped purse. Those black purses could match a lot of outfits. Backpack. I'm also selling those boots. I just don't think I will wear those. To your thigh and it's lace up design. It's really high heels. I don't think I'll have a chance to wear it. I have never worn it outside. Very clean. And there's more boots. Oh, this one. Very unique. I don't think I will get any chance to wear it outside. Never worn it outside. There are more stuff. This skirt. It's pretty long. It looks like costume, low in the front and long in the back. So if you do photo shoot, this could be a good option. I just don't think I will have a chance to wear it. It's like that. And the size is M. You could wear a black corset and wear this skirt. I think it's pretty unique style for a photo shoot. I don't think I will have a lot of time to do photo shoot in the future. I don't think I'll have a chance to wear it. And also a lot of my corset. So I'm selling most of my corset. I'm keeping a few corsets just in case I will use those in the future. But I'm selling most of my corset. For those corsets, I have tried like once. They're in really good condition. Like this one could match this skirt. And here is the purple one. Here is the black shirt. It's got the lace-up design in the back. And this one is M. Majority of my clothing is size small. A few of those are size M. This one is really cool. Half black and half red. Lace blouse, lace-up dress, a black vest I transformed, PU black dress, a jacket. I don't think I ever wore it outside. A lot of those clothing I haven't even worn outside. If you like anything, check out my closet on Poshmark. The link is in the description box, and you could offer a reasonable price for those items. So there's more pink ruffle jacket and with a hoodie. A winter hat. I have been having this one for over 10 years, since I was 18 or 19 years old, but I don't really wear a hat. A really long skirt. I don't really wear very long skirt when I go outside. This one is to your ankle. Looks like that. Skater dress, knit print. So this floral skirt is from Nisa. Heart print suspender skirt and green one. More suspender skirt. So this one is off-shoulder dress. It's one off-shoulder dress. And this is the Virgin Killer sweater. Look the back. So this is the back. Back this. It's very sexy sweater. I still have a chance to wear it. I could just wear a spaghetti top and shorts underneath, and my scarf and some crop tops. The heart print ones. Black sweater, you could wear it underneath the suspender skirt. Panda hoodie. Oh, this one is really cute. Black dress. I transformed this one. It's pretty big. It says size small, but I think it's bigger than size small. You can tell it's very wide. So I'm also selling baby girls' clothes. So I don't think I will have a chance to use those. Little girl princess dress. So this one's size 110. I don't know what the size it is. For little girl, this one's for baby girl. You could change the diaper easily. It's very cute. And also the tiny shoes, super tiny. Those are brand new. And there's more little girl's dress. So that's all the items that's for sale. I will keep adding more and more items that's for sale. And please remember that you could offer a reasonable price for those items. Maybe I will sell some of items from this closet. The purse and the shoes all together. Those are all the pink and other colors. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm still working on my dressing room, and this is just the one of my closet. In this dressing room, I haven't put the curtain back yet, so it has curtain to cover it up. So I'll put together my dressing room. Once I finished, I will share a dressing room tour video. And my baby boy's room. This style Chinese clothing really suit for pregnant woman look. I wore this outfit outside today, so we were getting the takeout food, and the people who work there, they ask me if I'm pregnant. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon.